Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is dilylah.ferrari and I am back with another video. Today I'm here to give you guys a beautiful hairstyle that I have been seeing online a lot, and it is the braid ponytail, sleek ponytail, whatever you guys want to call it. If you do like this braid, stay tuned and watch this tutorial. I'll teach you exactly how to get it. Alright guys, so the setup is real. Oh my god, like it took me so long to just set something up and I'm still not ready. Alright, so I think I'm ready now. Don't mind the wires back here. I'm still trying to find a perfect place in my room to set up so that I can put out great content for you guys. You'll need a comb, any comb in your favor. I'm gonna use a wide teeth comb because that's how I detangled my hair. So look at my hair, guys. I'm so proud of myself. Like, yo, I never really been so proud of myself. Like, your hair is like one thing you should like really take care of as a female, especially, and especially as a black African female, because they tend to say that we don't have hair. And baby, I'm Haitian, I'm black, I have a little tiny mix in me, but it ain't that serious. Like, my last name is Ferrari, so I have a little Italian in me. So what we're gonna do right now is pretty much do a part. This is my first time doing this, but I'm a hairstylist anyway, so I know what to do. Once you're confident in what you're doing, you should be straight. But yeah, I'm gonna do this like that. Guys, my hair grew so much. I'm so happy. Alright, so we're gonna use our edge control. This is how the bottle looks. This is my first time working with this edge control. I think it's a black owned business. It's a black owned company, but it smells like candy, low-key, like grease and candy. This is how it look in the inside. It's kind of looking a little, I hope nobody didn't stick their finger in this. That would be ghetto. But you're gonna take some of that edge control. Oh, I did cut my finger today. Today was a lot for me to just get ready, y'all. But pretty much you're gonna do a ponytail in the back. Let me turn around for y'all. Part don't have to be perfect, but you know. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna brush that in there. Try to do the slickest ponytail you can do. I know my part probably looked a little crazy, but that's fine. You just want a slick ponytail. You're gonna do pretty much 2 ponytails. I'm gonna put my black rubber scrunchie in the first part of the ponytail. So you want to get that as small as you can so that the top hair can sit properly. Some people do side parts. I never tried doing a side part before. Ooh, maybe I should do a side part. Side parts are my signature, but no. I'm trying new things. So pretty much you're gonna section out the middle. Once again, your part don't have to be perfect for this. I look crazy. And then you're gonna slick back all of this hair here into that ponytail using your brush and the edge control. Oh, I'm so mad I cut my finger earlier, guys. So I can't even really do my hair how I want it. You're gonna need 3 scrunchies actually. You're gonna need a few scrunchies. I should have bought a pack of scrunchies in a beauty supply store. See, what happened was I thought I had a pack in my drawer, and when I got home I couldn't find it. I think somebody took my pack of scrunchies. Like, I like this edge control. It's very strong. Look, very strong. Ooh. Ready? And I would advise for you to leave out some baby hairs before you do this, because then you have to pull it out and it might rip your hair. I don't know. I'm not gonna do much baby hairs today. Alright, so now it's really slicked back, nice and tight. I should probably put some on my, what y'all call this back here? Kitchen? I call it BDBs. Growing up, they used to call it BDBs. Alright, so we're gonna do that. Whoa. This is really easy. You just have to have a lot of time in front of you, like, you know, so that it can come out perfect. My friend says she's leaving at 8:30. I started my hair at 8:15. That goes to tell you folks why I'm always late, and I don't even know what I'm wearing. But there you go. Alright, now we're gonna take our banging, not the banging, the banging. I should do a side part. I'm gonna look real grown, but I want a middle part. I never tried a middle part before. And make sure it's running from the center of your nose. Is that in the middle? I honestly don't wear my hair out. I wear weave a lot, so. This method works, guys. As long as you do 2 to 3 ponytails, your hair will come out so sleek, so chic, just so perfect. Like, you got, you know, fine hair. I did flat iron my hair for the first time the other day. It's in my vlog, so if you guys check out my vlog, I will have it in the description box below also. But if you check out my vlog, I did straighten my hair for the first time since I cut it 2 years ago. I cut my hair, I think it was 3 years ago if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember. I was going through a depressing stage in my life, and me and my friend that I was really close friends with, we stopped talking for like the first time, and we didn't speak for a long time. And I'm very emotional, guys. I'm very, very emotional. So I feel like my hair started falling out because I was crying so much. We were just so close, and then boom, you just, you know, we just fell off, and it was like the craziest thing ever. It was like a relationship. And I'm really close with all my friends, so like if one of my friends would stop talking to me, I'll be so depressed. And who cares, right? But that's just me. Y'all, this edge control is the bomb. Like, my mirror is kind of far from me, guys, and I need to clean it. So that goes to tell you, I can't really see how this is coming out, but you're gonna add one more scrunchie, and that's how that's gonna look. I hope the back is really flat. I'm assuming it is, but yeah, you're gonna just add the last scrunchie. So I'm glad I bought this edge control because this thing got my hair looking so sleek. I'm so happy I bought this pack, guys. This is the best pack I've ever seen because the hair is so coarse, and all you really need is one pack, I think. Do I need 2? No, I'm gonna use 1. So you're gonna pretty much stretch out the hair a little bit on the ends. Just stretch it by pulling little by little because you want your braid to be long, and then expect it to shed, of course, because, all right, just stretch that out like that. I hope y'all can see that. And you're gonna braid your hair with this. So the method we're doing is is gonna a word? Because I keep saying gonna a lot. You're gonna put the rubber band like this. You're gonna pull that. So I put it through the loop. I put it through one loop and then I pulled it. And then you're gonna use this and wrap it around your ponytail like this. We're gonna try to get all the hair mixed in there somehow. Before we start braiding, you're gonna take a piece. You're gonna take out a piece and leave that out, and then you're gonna braid. Keep braiding and make sure it's neat. Let me see, is this neat? Yeah, it's neat. Like I said, my mirror is kind of far from me. It took me forever to set up today. Alright, I think this is actually perfect for a first timer. And guys, I'm sorry, I braid underneath. I didn't know that this was the wrong way to braid. Alright, so I just added a little bit of edge control at the ends. Supposed to do that at the end of your natural hair and at the end of your braids, so that it don't, so it could just stay put, you know. You could also add a little rubber band at the end, or you could just put it in some hot water. I don't have time for the hot water method, but this braid is good for me right now. All right, so once I'm finished with that, this is how the braid looks. Nice and neat. I got the new Got To Be glue here. You're gonna spray it as you wrap this around your hair. So I can't see what I'm doing, but I'll show you guys so y'all can be the judge of that. So after like 3 wraps, I'm going to, can y'all see that? And you're supposed to blow dry it, but I don't have my blow dryer. So, but that's fine because this is strong and it's fast. This is the strongest Got To Be glue I have ever put my hands on. It just came out not too long ago, like about a few months ago. Ooh, ooh. Oh my God. Guys, I have a big cut on my finger and I'm trying to not use that finger and I just keep using it. But yeah, spray it down. Use your blow dryer to have it nice and sleek. And that's how that came out in the back, guys. My friend just texted me. I know she's about to be like, I'm outside. You ready? Oh my God, it's 8:50. Actually, by the time she get here, I'll be ready. So I'm just gonna do my baby hairs, guys. Oh my God, I am in love with this edge control. I am so in love. OMG. I need to go leave them a review on Amazon, even though I bought it from my beauty supply store. That is so good. Hold on. Let me stop using that finger. Guys, this is the best edge control you could ever put your hands to. All you're gonna do is add a little bit more edge control for any frizzes you see. I was gonna add Got To Be glue to my hair, but that's unnecessary. I'm gonna tie my hair down for about 15 minutes as I get ready, because all I gotta do is get ready. I already did my makeup and I showered and everything. So this is how the hair looks and I love it. You guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to try out this edge control, I will try to find a link for it and I'll leave it in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and all of that good stuff. See you in my next video.
Bought it, crib, got it, job on it.